Well, the voter registration deadline for next month's election has already come and gone, and voters are already filling out their ballots.
This week in politics, we are taking a look at a growing trend in registration numbers. Aaron Parsegian joins us live this morning with details. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning and welcome back to This Week in Politics. In areas ravaged by Hurricane Ian, election officials are navigating the damage while also gearing up for the midterms. And this morning, they're getting help from the state to overcome some hurdles. Listen up, Sarasota viewers. Governor Ron DeSantis issued an emergency executive order to ensure voting access in Lee, Charlotte, and Sarasota counties. The order allows Supervisor of Elections to do several things, including extend the number of early voting days, move and consolidate polling locations, and increase the number of eligible poll workers who may serve in those 3 counties. It also allows displaced people to, by phone, request a vote by mail ballot be sent to an address not in their voter file.
It's going to be secure and it's going to be transparent, and we're out there to make sure they have the availability to vote. So just call our office we're the ones they want to get their information from, not anybody else. Just call our office and we'll answer their questions. We'll get them a ballot.
Meantime, voter registration has come to a close, and we are still waiting to see how that will impact numbers statewide. But take a look at the most recent data here from after the August primary. The number of registered Democratic voters, sitting at over 4.9 million, has gone down over the past year, while the GOP is making gains. More than 5.2 million Republicans are registered here in Florida. The state has nearly 4 million independents. And thousands of people across the Bay Area have already voted, but some may still be waiting to see these candidates go head-to-head, and soon they will get the chance. In 10 days, Governor Ron DeSantis and Democratic challenger Charlie Crist will face off in their first and only scheduled debate on Monday, October 24th in Fort Pierce. They were supposed to take the stage a couple days ago, but the debate was rescheduled due to Hurricane Ian. And in the race for Senate, incumbent Republican Marco Rubio and Democratic challenger Congresswoman Val Demings will debate next Tuesday, October 18th. 10 Tampa Bay will cover both of those as they happen. Meanwhile, we want to make sure you are prepared for November. You can check out our Hopeful Voter Guide on 10tampabay.com/vote. Live in the newsroom, Aaron Parsegian, 10 Tampa Bay.